Moss, mold, mildew, and algae stains can make fences, railings, retaining walls, and outdoor decor look tired and weathered. But you can bring back the beauty the easy way with Wet and Forget Outdoor Max 1 gallon concentrate. No scrubbing, no rinsing, and no bleach. Just an easy way to care for outdoor surfaces. Before you start, make sure the surface is dry and free from loose debris like leaves or dirt. Mixing is simple. Pour 1 part Wet and Forget Outdoor Max concentrate into any garden pump-up sprayer and add 5 parts water to create your cleaning solution. For heavier stains, use 1 part Wet and Forget Outdoor Max concentrate and 3 parts water. After a quick pump to pressurize, you're ready to spray. It's perfect for controlled, precise applications for decks, picket fences, railings, wood, retaining walls, garden borders, stone, and other outdoor surfaces. Wet and Forget Outdoor Cleaner can be used on most outdoor materials because it's bleach-free. That means it's color-safe and there's no guesswork or second-step rinsing. Just wet it and forget it. No scrubbing, rinsing, or power washing needed. 1 bottle makes up to 6 gallons of ready-to-use product and covers up to 2,250 square feet. Wet and Forget Outdoor works with the wind and rain over time to gently remove those unsightly green and black stains caused by moss, mold, mildew, and algae. Green stains typically clean up within 1 to 2 weeks. Black stains and moss usually clean up within a few months, improving gradually with ongoing exposure to the elements. Apply Wet and Forget when the temperature is above 55 degrees and there's no rain in the forecast. Keep off sprayed surfaces until the product has fully dried. Wear eye protection, rubber gloves, and protective clothing. Avoid spraying directly on plants and flush them with water if they're accidentally sprayed. Always apply to a dry surface and thoroughly saturate when spraying. Once the surface is clean, a yearly maintenance spray helps reduce new stain buildup, so it's easy and affordable to maintain your outdoor living areas. Trust your outdoor spaces to bleach-free cleaning. Just wet it and forget it.